Hi to everyone. This is officially the first episode of Ascent 18 adventures. Today we're gonna talk about the Injora IR40 body and how to mount it on your Ascent 18. Let's get started. And here we are, guys and girls, if any. Other than changing the wheels and the body, everything else is stock, and it's not very hard, not hard at all. And plus, whatever you're gonna need is already comes with the body. Of course, it's for something else for the body, but trust me, it can still work. You can use it. So here how I did it. Okay, so obviously first thing you need to do is to remove the battery tray. I relocate my battery on top of the motor. Now when you are about to assemble the body, because this part here comes in pieces and you put them together with screws, when it's time to put the cab with the bed together, there are two tabs which I don't know if you can see them right now. It's over here. I'm gonna put a picture of those tabs. Picture is coming right now. So those tabs are supposed to go inside the cab from the inside, and I don't know if the reason why you're supposed to put them there. I'm assuming it's for the TRX4M something, I don't know. So yeah, by accident I didn't use them, and at the end I realized that yeah, it still can work without them over there, and plus that I can use them to make a hinge. So wait, let me put the camera down and make more things more visible. Well, here's the tab I'm talking about, and it works perfect with the stock bumper. Now on the front I keep obviously the mount that comes with the body. The only thing I did on that mount is that I cut the LED spots where the lights were supposed to go, because I put my own lights, which they came out like pretty much exactly the same size, again by accident. I was liking that. So now the front mount that comes with the body works perfect on the Ascent 18, and trust me, it can't go nowhere unless you push it gentle, and boom, there you go, opens. I also add an electronic switch so I can turn on and off the lights from the transmitter. And that's it so far. More upgrades are coming, and of course more videos with this little guy over here are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Thank you again.